Let me show you how to customize your iMessage background. Changing the background changes it for everyone in that conversation. Now, first just head into your Messages app and start a conversation with somebody. If you wanted to change this background just from the default, you can always do that in iOS 26. Instead of the Info tab here, let's go over to Backgrounds. And now you can choose a bunch of different ones. You can see the default is none. I can choose Photo here and select from one of my photos in my photo gallery. But you can also see there are built-in default ones like sky. So I can go from dusk to haze to sunset, clear sky. You can also go back and use water, for instance. You can have various either light or dark, or aurora, which kind of gives us the glow, pink, purple, or green. Now, I personally like the sky option. So let's say I wanted to use a sunset background. I'll show you how to set it and what it looks like. This is kind of the look and feel of it. You can see it's animated on here. And another cool factor is if I press and hold on something and say I hit the thumbs up, you'll be able to see it kind of interacts with that background. It zooms in a little bit and then zooms out. Keep in mind, this is just for this specific conversation. So you do need to set that background for each conversation you want.